Here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. We're still in February 2019. I was gonna go down to the junkyard or down to the pick and pull, but I ain't going out in this. This is freezing rain, terrific. But this is gonna be under Project Escape, and I'm working on the hybrid today. Well, I've been looking for a way to run my phone's music through my car stereo again, and I was fine because I was using the cassette to plug in. Well, now I've moved up to a newer model. This here is the an 06, and it doesn't have a cassette. It's got a CD player, so there's no way to plug it in that way. Well, I was at Walmart the other day, and they had a sale on the wireless audio systems. So I picked up a Monster brand gooseneck transmitter. This has got built-in microphone for convenient hands-free talking, double press for the last number you just redialed, stream music from your Bluetooth wireless technology, enabled phone through the FM stereo system, 1.5-inch measured LED screen to display incoming calls, FM channel, music data, and car battery voltage. That's pretty cool. Flex gooseneck design, assist drivers in adjusting screen to optimal viewing angle. Dual USB ports to charge two devices at the same time, and it's a total of 4.2 amps for charging most smartphones at optimal speed. Cable included for optimal connection to your car's aux port. Don't have one. And additional playing mode allows you to play your favorite music from your memory card, so you can plug in an SD card. Let's see how this thing works. It was on sale from $24, I believe, to $12. So I figured that would probably not be a bad investment if it actually works. So we'll definitely see if it works. Now, unfortunately, when I got this vehicle, she said that the radio display doesn't work. So that's going to be the trick. So as you can see, it's off. I got all this noise going on because this is a hybrid, so the battery's making its noise. But as you can see, radio's running, but you can't see anything. So that's what I was going to go down to the pick and pull today and grab one. So while I'm right here, I'm not going out in that rain today. Go another day. So let's see what we got here. Let's open this up. I can't open it with. I don't know how to open it with. It's lovely. Back this out in the rain. Yeah, what is that? We'll back it out in the rain and get it wash it. Little 4-cylinder kicking in. And go out in the rain. Go out in the rain and wash it off. She's been stuck in the... Yeah, there we go. Oh, see, you got the little... Yep, freezing rain. A little bit of everything. freezing rain is going to stick to it, and when I take it in, it's going to melt in the garage. Well, it was a thought. Oh, shoot. Anyway, bring her in. Let's set in here for now. Okay. Let it run for a little while. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Destroy anything because I gotta take it back. This isn't a black web, it's not a Walmart brand, so you have to see here. So we got two. I got this one here to hold my camera, and of course there's another. I might put it in there. I'll put it in here. I guess I'll put it in here. I'm gonna leave that one down there because it'll hold my gonna hold my phone. Also gives another setup. There we go. Another. Pull that one out. Okay, see. Like we got a button, second button to come back, forward and backwards, or something or other. Oh, I might change it. Put that in there. Crap in there. Got in there. Okay, plugged in. It says welcome. I'll get my new phone out. Yeah, an upgrade. Well, I moved over to Sprint from Verizon, and my phone was not compatible with whatever their requirements were. So went ahead and for $5 I got a Galaxy S9 from the one I had was an S8. So let's see if we gotta go.
Patient with it right now, not trying to wear it out.
Kind of sucks because I can't read there's no way to read.
Has been dumped. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. for the last several laps. He can get to his left or corner.
You've made.
Racetrack, that's what. Tracks is Stenhouse trying to work the bottom of the racetrack.
Let's see.
For a shower.
Okay, maybe there's the center one that says disc change. So let's see if we can get this figured out. I'm just warming the truck up. It's going to shut down. The motor will automatically shut down when it charges the big battery. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. 88 link, but not linked. I wonder if I go through. I'm going individual right now. It wants 88. You gotta be on 88 ohms. lights because I can't see. I can't see what the channel is. It's a little our quick link. My glasses. Quick link says, once car charged FM is successfully connected to your smartphone, you can stream music from your phone to your car's audio via FM transmitter. You can also enjoy music that is stored in a SD card. That's right, a slot. Yep, there's a little slot right under here. SD card plug-in. Okay, there it is, right up underneath. There's SD card, plug it in underneath. Scan. Okay. A little scan button on the side. Okay, connect your music by activating your phone. Pause music at any time. Got your 2 buttons here. Resume. Press music button again. Change songs. To change your songs on the playlist, press button 3. Buttons 2. These are your play and pause button and volume control, answer control. Okay, so your volumes. Previous play button. Your center button is 2. So this pause. This is your primary button, right? Is center one. Next song button is that one. Last call number. That's all this stuff here. The display. Microphone is off. There's your mic right there. USB ports, of course. TF slot. And there she goes. She just shut down. Okay, we're good. The only thing is with this one, this port here, it turns off when you turn your key. And aux line out is 9. Yeah, up under here. You got your USB and your line out. They give you a dual plug. So you could actually, if you don't want to go to FM, you can plug that in there and then plug that into your ear slot. Okay, so let's see. FM transmitter is automatically set to pair at 87.5. Even if it's not a free channel in your area, there are 2 additional ways to find an open station. With your radio on, you can use the auto scan button to on the transmitter. Okay. So let's see. Button 6. See, it's automatically pair at 87.5 FM on your dial, and 87 is not available to do it in. Okay, with your radio on, you can use the auto scan button on the transmitter, which is 6. It's the one on the side here. Okay, 101. That's the one it's on right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Turn your car engine on, turn your radio to FM mode, plug in your transmitter to your car or cigarette lighter. Transmitter LED will go through several functions. High voltage indicator, FM station, also indicator by voice. By voice, voltage is normal and ready to pair. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and search for available Bluetooth device. Monster FM will connect. When successfully connected, FM frequency will display it. And voice prompt pairing success.